Managing returns in your POS system shouldn't be complicated. Lou Retail Point of Sale lets you handle returns as easily as making a transaction. One way of conducting a return is by clicking the return button from the main dashboard and then selecting by receipt or by customer. In this example, the customer has a receipt handy, so you'll use the by receipt option. After you scan the barcode, the customer's transaction displays the purchased items, quantity, and price, as well as taxes, a total amount, and the payment method provided. You can simply select the toggle for one or more items and then click the return button. If needed, you can adjust the return quantity and then click return one more time. At this point, if there aren't any further adjustments needed, you can finalize the return by clicking the pay button. The total amount to be returned, including the portion of taxes for the returned items, is displayed. Now, you can select the tender type for the return. In this case, we want to return cash to the customer. When you select a type, the original purchase tender type and amount is displayed for your reference. Now you can select the amount to return and then click the Apply button. Once you click Confirm, a new receipt will print and you will have finished the return. In this next example, the customer doesn't have a receipt, so you'll use the By Customer option. From the sales transaction screen, you can start a return by clicking on the hamburger menu and then select Return Mode. After you click the By Customer button, you can then search for the customer. To locate the items for return, you may need to adjust the date range if necessary. Occasionally, you'll see items marked in red, which indicates that they've previously been returned. In this case, the toggle button to select the item as a return is disabled. Next, simply toggle the items that will be returned. Now, you can click the Return button. Here, you can adjust the quantities to be returned if needed, and then click the Return button. After you click the Return button, the selected items display. Once you click the Pay button, taxes are calculated for the returned items. And just like the previous example, you can now select how the payment should be returned. In this example, the store only processes returns as store credit. No problem. We can return the amount as a store credit by clicking the Account button. You can then select the amount and then Apply button to complete the return transaction. To complete the transaction and print the receipt, click the Confirm button. Want to know more about Lou or Lou Retail POS? Stop by anytime at evasys.com.